How to make money online without paying anything. Want to learn how to make money without spending anything? Many people want to start a business on the internet, but do not start, because they think that it is necessary to invest a lot of money. If that was also what stopped you from seeking your financial freedom working from home, you've come to the right place. In this video, you will see that it is totally possible to start making money without investing anything or almost nothing. 1. Affiliate marketing. Without a doubt, being a digital affiliate is the best way to earn money without spending anything and without creating anything. The digital affiliate will only invest their time to spread the affiliate link and start selling someone else's product. As an affiliate, you will receive a commission for every sale you make through this link. To give you an idea, it is possible to earn more than $100 daily as an affiliate. See the potential it has. The disclosure can be on a blog, on social networks, through a YouTube channel, and even through advertisements. To be an affiliate, you just need to register on a platform, such as ClickBank or Digistore, choose a product and create your business structure on the internet to start promoting your affiliate link. 2. Create an online course. If you have skill or a lot of knowledge about a subject, you can turn it into an online course. You don't need to spend anything to start creating an online course, as you can use your cell phone camera and the window light to record your classes. Or, you can use free programs to record your screen and in that way, convey your knowledge to people. The cool thing about creating an online course is that you create your product once and you can sell it to countless people, without having to create anything else. Then, just register your course on a digital product platform and make it available for affiliation, which increases your chances of earning money without spending anything. 3. Create an ebook. Creating an ebook is also a way to earn money without spending anything or almost nothing. Just like an online course, if you have experience or a lot of knowledge about a topic, you can turn that knowledge into a digital book. 4. Copywriter. You can also earn money by being a freelance writer or working as a contributor to a company. As a copywriter, you can write articles for blogs, ebooks, video scripts, social media posts, sales letter, email marketing, etc. So, if you have writing skills, master grammar, like to research and study, being a copywriter is an excellent idea for you to earn money without spending anything. 5. Answering surveys. Some sites pay you to take surveys. Companies partner with online survey sites to find out what people think about a product or service and also to gather information about a specific audience. These survey sites pay you through points, which you convert into cash or exchange for prizes and benefits. To earn money without spending anything, just answering online surveys, just register on sites like Toluna. The amount of points you earn and the amount of money you can convert with these points will depend on each site. In general, these sites pay very little for each questionnaire answered. However, it's still worth it, because the more surveys you answer, the more points you'll accumulate and you'll have an extra income at the end of the month. 6. Video editing. Do you have knowledge, training, or a lot of experience in video editing? Know that you can earn a lot of money without spending anything, just offering your services as a video editor. You can work for companies as a collaborator or providing services as a freelancer, registering on platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. In an increasingly digital world, there will be no shortage of opportunities for those who know how to edit videos. 7. Virtual assistant. One more tip for you to make money without investing anything is to be a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will perform the day-to-day tasks of the professional who hires you. You can work for a lawyer, dentist, doctor, etc. Your job will be to organize the agenda, schedule meetings, answer calls, confirm or reschedule appointments, and all these administrative activities. As a virtual assistant, you can work from your own home, just have a computer connected to the internet and a cell phone to communicate with the professional who hired you and with his clients. 8. Blog. By creating a blog, you will also be able to earn money without spending anything. You can create a blog and monetize it by selling advertising space and also by selling products as an affiliate. To create a blog, you can use WordPress or Blogger, which you don't need to pay anything. Gradually, when you are making money with your blog, you can buy a domain and hire paid hosting, so that your blog looks more professional. However, at the beginning, you don't have to pay anything. 9. Translator. You speak English or any other foreign language, you can earn money by translating texts. Register on freelancer websites. Register as a translator on these platforms and start receiving opportunities, making proposals, and start earning money as a translator. You can translate articles, books, and even audio and video. 10. Online classes. If you are a teacher or have mastered a topic, you can earn money by giving online classes through video calls on WhatsApp, Skype, or Zoom, for example. You can offer your classes to one person or to a group, multiplying your earnings and optimizing your time. Or, you can record your lessons and make them available in course format to sell on digital product platforms. Udemy is an excellent place for you to sell your recorded classes in course format. 11. YouTube. You can also make money making videos for YouTube. In this beginning, don't worry about having sophisticated and professional equipment to create your videos. Remember that many successful people on YouTube started with few resources and no pretensions. So, just use your cell phone camera and position yourself in front of a window, where you will have good natural light, and start recording. The important thing is to have interesting content to attract people and get subscribed views. To get started, just create a YouTube channel and record the videos to publish. If you don't want to appear, either because you're shy or because you're embarrassed to record, you can create a dark channel, which is nothing more than a channel where you'll publish videos without showing your face. Some examples are nail design channels, animal voiceovers, children's voiceovers, bedtime songs, etc. After creating your channel, you will monetize it through the dissemination of affiliate links, AdSense ads, through partnerships with brands. 12. Used sales. To earn money without spending anything, you can also sell used things that you have in your home, such as clothes and accessories, books, decorative objects, toys, furniture, and anything else that is sitting in your house and that is in good condition. 13. Audio transcription. One more thing to earn money without spending anything, just with your work, is doing audio and video transcription. On sites like Fiverr, Upwork, you can find this type of service on offer.